Bella, you went through this because you're a healthy eater, right?
I thought so. I thought I was healthy. I couldn't understand why what I was doing was not really completely working. And you made me aware of the things you were talking about. And even when I heard them in your masterclass, also you were extremely clear. What really clicked for me when we had private conversation, and you were asking me questions about, the way I eat, when I eat, how I eat. And that personalized attention really did it for me. I didn't know what that would do to my body. If I eat enough vegetables, my body will be happy and I'm healthy. Not eating enough protein, but I didn't know what that meant. And I was unaware of the sugar levels that my body was constantly up and down. So you kept telling me, what I did, I put this monitor on me just for me to see what you were saying. Once I saw my sugar levels go in wacky-do pretty much all the time, I started to eat the way you told me, started to exercise the way you told me. It's not hard. It's really not a big deal, honestly. Everything changed. Within 2 weeks, my sleep's normal. My blood sugar levels are very measured. It's really not hard. You got some tricks and little things that made all the difference. And I'm so grateful.